In 2025, AgeGO has received mixed feedback from users and reviewers alike. While it markets itself as a secure and GDPR-compliant age verification service, many users have reported frustrating experiences. On platforms like Trustpilot, AgeGO has a low average rating of around 2.6 out of 5, with numerous complaints about verification failures. Users frequently mention that the platform's methods such as SMS codes, selfie recognition, and credit card checks often don't work as intended, leading to failed verification attempts and a poor overall experience. Despite this, AgeGO scores highly on security review sites like ScamAdvisor and Gridinsoft, where it receives a perfect trust score of 100/100. These ratings cite the site's long-established domain, transparent policies, and GDPR compliance as signs of legitimacy. According to Tom's Guide, AgeGO was launched in 2019 by AgeGO Group in Barcelona and offers a variety of verification methods, including live selfies, Idaho checks, and integration with digital ID apps like Yoti. Importantly, the platform claims not to store any personal data, only confirming whether a user is above the required age. However, one area of concern is the lack of transparency around third-party providers used for verification, which could raise privacy questions for more cautious users. In summary, while AgeGO appears to be legitimate from a technical and regulatory standpoint, the overwhelmingly negative user experiences, particularly with failed verifications, suggest that the service still has major reliability issues. It's not a scam, but it may not yet be trustworthy enough for a smooth, consistent user experience.